At Farm World TV, we've been keeping up to date with developments at j-reiff Agricultural Contractors in Luxembourg since 2012. In collaboration with j-reiff, our reports on daily life at this fascinating agricultural contracting business have already reached many millions of viewers. What's more, we have produced 2 in-depth DVDs over the past few years, which are also available in HD on demand. This latest news and updates video on j-reiff Agricultural Contractors brings you right up to date for 2020. Our visit at the end of May revolved around grass foraging. On this particular day, the j-reiff team was busy mowing again for a customer 20 minutes away from their headquarters. This livestock breeding and dairy farm aims to bring in 6 to 8 cuts each year, which requires full support from the agricultural contractors. Pascal is driving one of 4 mower combinations working in parallel for the same customer today. And here is a shot of the Fendt 936 Vario. This is one of the latest Generation 6 machines, which were first introduced last year. The tractor is equipped with a reverse drive unit, which is especially great for mowing. At 355 horsepower, the 936 is in the mid-range of 5 models in the new 900 series. At j-reiff Agricultural Contractors, there are now 3 of the new generation tractors in operation. We'll show you another one later in the film. The Class Disco Mower combination is also new. It has a working width of 8.5 meters and is equipped with a tine conditioner. As it processes the harvested crop, it accelerates wilting while also laying the forage out across a wide area. The contracting company has 9 mower combinations in total. In less than 24 hours, 3 swathers will appear to prepare the 110 hectares of forage for harvesting by the 2 forage harvesters. In around 22 days, the whole process will start again to bring in a 4th cut. We can already show you one of the Classliner 3600 4-rotor swathers in action on another customer's farm. The 12.5 meter wide machine was ordered with isobus steering and single rotor lifting. Timon is riding in the cab. He grew up on a farm in northern Germany and has already completed his training in specialist agricultural services. He is now planning to continue his education towards a master's degree with j-reiff Agricultural Contractors. Let's take a quick look at a few other new machines in j-reiff's fleet. They have made a further investment in Wien-Hof machinery to enable them to fulfill the statutory requirements regarding slurry spreading that exist in some European countries. The new tandem tanker is equipped with a 15-meter trailing shoe applicator by Bomech. They have also purchased 2 new combi feeder tankers from Wien-Hof. They can be filled up externally but also have their own pumps. This Fendt Rotator already performed well during the 2019 season. This year, in addition to the usual plant protection products, this self-propelled sprayer was also used to spread UAL fertilizer before seed sowing in spring. The company also invested in a new Gerweil baler wrapper combination because they had such a good experience with the previous machine. The team have been using the new Beatmaster mobile beat processor since autumn 2019. One of j-reiff's key customer groups for this service are the biogas farms. The cleaning water is conveyed through a processing plant in a closed circuit. Stones and clumps of soil are carefully washed off. The compact processor can wash 80 to 110 tons of sugar beet per hour. Let's take a look at what else is new on j-reiff Agricultural Contractors premises. The enormous, well-equipped workshop was already introduced in one of our short videos in 2016. Then in 2018, we showed you the Cardex high-density storage unit on our DVD. Now expanded even further, the team would not be able to live without it these days. A new tyre changer for small wheels has been purchased and installed at the back of the workshop. They have also invested in a used die cutter and sheet metal brake. The idea is to use these for fabricating their own replacement parts and constructions. The Fendt Service Centre is also developing very well. The workshop team has grown to 15 mechanics, including 2 apprentices. Being well organised is extremely important in such a large contracting company. The large number of front weights for the tractors now have a track system, which is used for storage and mounting. The original idea came from the drivers. The construction itself was made in their own workshop, of course. The theme of organisation continues with this heavy-duty shelving unit for loader and telehandler attachments. And in the wash bay, there is a brand new piece of kit for handling the daily maintenance of their 15 forage wagons. Their knives are now kept in this self-built shelving system, according to model. This enables the drivers to install the blades without mixing them up or hurting their backs, and to store them away for sharpening. Speaking of forage wagons, we promised to show you one more job with one of the 3 new Fendt 900 Varios in action. We find it hard at work for a long-standing customer in Germany. Michael is harvesting grass here, along with 2 of his teammates. The all-black Fendt 942 Vario gives a super sophisticated impression and is the highlight of our day of filming. We attended a very exclusive premiere of this new top-of-the-range model from the 900 series to record a test drive video. But seeing the tractor in action with a customer is when things really get interesting. Here, the large 415 horsepower tractor is pulling a jumbo 7220 by Pertinger, which is also brand new. This latest generation forage wagon was introduced in November 2019. Several aspects of the wagon have been revamped. For one thing, the scraper floor has been dropped slightly and the grinding system has been improved. Reiff's Class Syrian 3800 is rolling the silage clamp. The specialist tractor, acquired by Reiff in spring 2017, has already clocked up a great deal of work hours. Only a handful of new tractors could top the distinctive sound of its 6-cylinder Caterpillar engine. To round off our latest report on what's new at Reiff, let's take a look at their website. The clothing and model machinery in the fan shop are very popular, as always. Another side to the j-reiff Saal business is its tractor hire service, which is presented here with the help of a configurator. We'll bring you more information on this service soon in a separate video under the Reiff for Knowledge category. Head over to www.farmworld.tv to watch our 2 in-depth documentaries on this agricultural contractor. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to like or subscribe to our channel to support our future productions.